Customers, we don't come.
Gentlemen.
Madam.
Not to be disrespectful or rude. You guys are not what we ordered for. You are not our spec. So this transaction, it's not going to work.
But madam, now somewhere we come from now. Now for just allow us there where we did they do our thing.
Bros, you know be our spec. Make you they go now.
Go for the confile.
I understand. I'm going to give you guys your tea fare, okay? Take. Collect now.
What's in with this?
Here. You can use this one.
I go hold, I'm not worried.
You guys can please leave.
Wait, what be this rubbish, Ekeze? Huh? See, I don't want you. No ever carry me call this kind of rubbish, Paro. Which kind of rubbish be this one?
But you calm down.
I better get out.
But you calm down. Now, Paro, now try your luck now. So look, no they go.
Get out from here. See, make a tell now. If una first they do this thing before, una go stop am. As una see me so, I be Ashewo, I dey craze and I no get shame. You hear me so? Una they say we no be spec. They no first say on our bishop. My money na 30,000 and I must collect am complete. 1 naira no comot. You hear me so? If we start now, I go say Ashewo to get pepper body. Now they see this money, I go pay the money complete.
Gentlemen, I will advise you leave.
Sit.
No be lie. True. I no really be on a spec. Good day.
Hold it there. You. Now my spec.
Me.
Thunder fire you.
God help me now that day.
Queen of the queens. I beg, who locked door?
At this point, no going out and no coming in.
I beg when I wait. Make I first call my mama.
It is in a play.
Mama,
Ogasa.
I beg give me 5 apple and a goosey soup.
Okay, so how many meats?
I beg go. Not put me to a beg.
You got the point now.
Wow.
Daddy, see that man.
Who please?
He is eating without meat. He's a vegetarian.
It's okay.
I can't hide myself.
Shut up your mouth!
Me as me am now. Me as me am. Me as me am.